Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to predict the next candlestick in an OTC market and understanding the price algorithm. Okay, but before we get started, there's a 1-minute survey I just want you guys to fill in. You can check in the link in the description of this video. It's a survey that I just want you to tell me your pain point in trading, so I can know how to set and create some good videos to help you all. Okay, so 1 minute is not going to take much of your time. Okay, so let's get to the business of today. I'll be trading USD XOF. Currently what we are seeing in the market traded higher and now it's coming down strongly. So what we should be expecting now is that the market might be coming down to this level. So we should see the market come down to this level and go higher, or it might retrace a little and then start coming down. So this is the level we're aiming out for, and okay, this is another level that the market might be coming towards. Okay, so currently we are seeing some buyers entry in the market. I think this might be a retracement. Okay, I think I'll place my trade on the next candlestick now. Okay, I'll go with the higher option here. Yeah, I placed the higher option here because we saw some good buyers entry on this candlestick, and the market wants to go like this. It wants to retrace and start coming down. So I think buyers are going to enter the market at least for 1 minute because of that strong buyers entry we saw on that previous candle. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, buyers are coming in strongly, and we have few seconds more. Okay, very good. That was an ITM. I won that trade. You can see buyers came in strongly. So for that, we'll likely wait for the next candle before we can predict our next trade. So let's be patient and understand what's happening in the market before we can place our next trade. Okay, we are seeing some little movements in the market. Okay, so I think the market might be aiming for this level. Okay, I think I'll go with buyers. Oh, better than 3 points. Okay, no problem. I place a higher option here because of this strong bullish candle we had here and weakness in sellers. So I'm sure buyers will enter the market again to this next level I'm aiming for. So hopefully buyers should come into the market now and take the market to that level. But because of fast momentum, I had a bad entry point on this trade. because it's OTC. Most of the times the candles open with some fast momentum, but let's see how it goes. Okay, you can see I lost that trade because of my entry point, but my prediction was right as a green candle, so I'll still go with bias again. Yes, I placed a higher option here because of the strong bias momentum I saw on this candle, and the market is trying to reach for that level above there. So buyers should come into the market now. So I know this market is trying to retrace before it starts coming down. So buyers are going to take the market to that line. Okay, we have few seconds more, and we are seeing some buyers present. Okay, awesome. I won that trade. You can see that was an ITM. So we had a weak green candle there, and luckily for me I got a good entry point on this one. So I think we'll stay on the sideline and place our trade on the next candle. But I know that the market is trying to come up more higher, so I think this should be the last point. So the market is going to move like this now. From that level it should start coming down. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we are seeing some good buyers entry. Okay, I think I'm going to go with buyers again. Okay, if I should get a good entry point, I might go with buyers. Okay, buyers are already taking the market higher. I couldn't place my trade there because I didn't get a good entry point, but no need to panic. I'll place my trade on the next candle. So as a trader, you don't need to chase price. You don't need to fear of missing out trades, because every moment is unique in this market. So even though you don't take a trade, you still have thousands of opportunity to do that. So you don't need to chase price. Okay, currently you can see the rejections from that level I drew. Sellers are interested in that level, so I'll go with a lower option here. Yes, I place a lower option here because of the rejections on this candle, and this level is a good level for reversal, so sellers should be coming in from that level now. Okay, so sellers should be coming in and the downtrend should continue lower. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, we have few seconds more. Okay, very good. That was another ICM, a good one. So sellers came in strongly, so that's a sign that the market is respecting that level. So what we should be seeing now is that the market should be moving like this, and you should be trying to start bringing price to lower prices. Okay, so let's wait for the close of this candle, and then we can predict the next trade setup. Okay. Okay, this trade is quite a critical one. But what I'll do here, I will trade with some good entry points. Okay, I'll go with the higher option here. Let me get the good entry points. Yes. I place the higher option here because we saw buyers entry on this candle and they made a new high. So I knew that was just a retracement candlestick. But I think buyers are going to reject this market and the market will keep on moving like this. So I place a higher option there because I know we are going to get some rejections from buyers, because on the previous candlestick we had a long buyer's entry. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, you can see, luckily for us, I won that trade. That was another good ITM. So far, this was the first trade. Because of this buyer's entry on this candle, I placed a higher option because the market was retracing. And here, I placed a higher option again, but because of fast momentum, I had a bad entry point and I lost that trade. And here, I placed another higher option immediately because of the strong buyer's entry on the previous candle. And here, I wanted to place a higher option, but I missed that trade. But from the level I drew, I expected price to respect that level, and sellers brought the market down from that level. And here, I placed some marginal safety because of the buyer's entry on that previous candle, and I won that trade through the candlestick psychology. And here you can see now the market is dropping down like we planned out. Like I told you, the market is going to move like this, and it should get down to the levels below. Okay, so hope this video has been helpful. If you love this video, like, comment, share. Do want to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can always get notified when I upload my next video. And don't forget to check out the description of this video for the 1-minute survey, because it's going to be helpful to you and your trading. Okay, until next time, I wish you all good luck and good trading.